Hey, welcome back to my channel with my hair enterprise, and today's video I will be doing a wig restoration. So the wig was washed and dried prior to this video, and the client took the hair to me for me to just do a fresh up, restore the hair back to normal, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be doing throughout this video. I'll show you the products that I use and basically how you can restore your hair after a wash. So after a wash, your wig doesn't have to be thrown out. You can always get another wear. And yes, please do wash your wigs. Please do wash your wigs, because a lot of persons are going around with stinky wig. It's not cute. It is not cute. So you really need to wash your wigs, and when you wash it, to get it back to its original state, you just need to rehydrate it. Some of the products that I normally use are like the olive oil hair moisturizer. I also use a hair mayonnaise. I'm gonna show you some of the products that I use and just apply them to the hair, not to drench the hair and make it heavy, but just to give it a sheen and to make it really pop. I normally also apply mousse. Doesn't matter which brand. You have the olive oil mousse and you have the one that comes in the black bottle. You apply that to just rehydrate the hair, to let it just get shiny and nice again, and to restore the curls. Because most times when you go to the hairdresser always uses mousse in your hair to just keep the curls tight and to keep that sheen in your hair, and it doesn't make your hair very heavy. So that's my video for today, and we're gonna jump right into it. Alright, so the hair has been moisturized and it's going to be volumized next. Alright, so the hair has been volumized. I ensure to volumize it, and the sheen has been added back. And I'm going to do curling now. I'm going to apply a little moisturizer and curl. Now I'm watching the natural part of the hair. As you can see, this hair doesn't belong over here, this one, because it's too long. So I'm just going to part it. Try to give it a natural part as possible.
Melissa is fostering 3-month-old rescue but hasn't decided yet whether she's going to keep him.
Sian, make it fix it that now. You see it, but you don't do nothing about it.